But here's the beautiful thing. God doesn't give up on city dogs. More than that, God reveals the divine character. The Lord, a God merciful and gracious, slow to anger and abounding in steadfast love and faithfulness. Tonight, as you leave this place, I want you to remember, you are free to roam in God's love, free to explore God's goodness, free to live as beloved children who always know the way home. But more than that, you are loved enough to always have a home to come home to.